Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. No apologies. You do you, boo. Well, it's time to get the pool cleaned. I got some debris to pick up here in the yard. I want to introduce the iGarden Pool Cleaner to you. It was sent to me by the manufacturer. I want to thank them for doing so. And it's an automatic pool cleaner, and I'm going to show you how it works. Get some debris picked up here in the yard. And then I hope you come along on an extended video after this. And I'm going to get into some details of our HOA disappointments and challenges, the fines that may take place, the attorney we're going to call, because at 69 years of age, I just want peace in my life. And we're living in a time to where all that's out there is push, shove, argue, be nasty. I'm over it. So now we're going to get the pool cleaned. The pool's really in good shape. It's been so hot, we've not even been out here to swim. The sun is just brutal. And Kevin and I are heading to Phoenix tomorrow. And I'm going to take you along on that trip. Hopefully you'll watch the video. But for today, let's get the pool cleaned. I want to explain this little item to you. This is the iGarden. It is a robot that cleans the pool for me. I just charge it, clean the filter, pop it into my pool, turn it on, and it maps the pool out for me and does all the hard skimming and cleaning on the bottom of the pool. So let's get it turned on. The turn on switch back here. I've got it charged. So we push the on button. Now let's push the turbo button. And let's go set it in the pool. And away it goes. The nifty thing about this little robot, it maps the pool, memorizes it, and then starts to clean. And she's off and running. So that'll run for a couple hours in the pool. It cleans the bottom completely. Set it and walk away. Pretty cool gadget, yeah? All right. So thanks for coming along. Let me know what you think of this little iGarden gadget. Pool cleaner. It comes with a great guide. Explain how to use it, how to clean it, how to function it, and it even works on Wi-Fi. All right, give me your honest review on this. And there it goes. It goes across the bottom of the pool, maps out the pool, goes all the bottom, comes all the way up the side to the water line. So what it's doing, it's got rollers and a brush, which is cleaning the sides of the pool for me. Isn't that cool? And the bottom goes back down. It'll probably come back up a couple of times. And our high today is supposed to be 106. So I'm heading indoors. We'll let that iGarden do its thing. With it being so hot outside in the summer, that iGarden robot pool cleaner has been a game changer. I want to thank them for sending me the robot. I have the description down below to where you can click on the link, order one yourself if you choose to, or just check them out. And there's a code there to receive a discount. So until next time, thanks for coming along. Be well. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.